For all you web designers, developers, or even tech-savvy folks, we're launching a series of tutorials that'll give you guys the tools you need to create beautiful web content using AppDrag. If you want to know what AppDrag is, you can check out their website. But in short, it's a content management system that gives you full control of your source code and even has a proprietary e-commerce platform where you can get an online store up and running in about an hour. There are many other awesome features available, but what really puts AppDrag apart from the competition is the integrated cloud backend where you could build your SQL databases either using code or a visual table creator. And then you write your APIs in either SQL, node.js, Python, Go, .NET, or Java. Once done, you start creating your dynamic content on your front end by simply calling the API with AJAX or by using the built-in data source binding tools. As a side note, AppDrag uses Amazon's AWS, so your projects are served by the world's leader in hosting. Stay tuned, the series will begin shortly.